Kaseng Kongres hak cingilam kemat kenong ngelam cungki emili ke parti Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo hak spotrek no pra arjar phuai kelap penaps dia se arngut kid khot ke yang dabar tawan ke jela ba Charles Pengrop pat ba shitlang pelie tak bu ucuar so sembut lampang ke yang dabar tawan Timothy Dishira ban mat iki na cinglong khot hak yeng kumpat syukdau bah ke pratrik no pra arjar phuai kis phomur kid khot ke yang dabar tawan ke jela kibla sha ucuar Kongres adin bagila phet na ke parti se seng perthai All India Trinamool Congress kila cuba balor ke cing ucuar dawa ban maj ik cinglong khot cungki Ahmad ulam phang ke yang darbar ba met ba lingdo ban pengen mau ni uba Charles Pengrop ba shitlang pali kimshim la pau kerteng ka thop cing ucuar ban kong chongko Congress ka ba dawa ban maj kerteng ik khot ke yang darbar thawan kibla phet shi ka All India Trinamool Congress ya ka Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo isran lang do President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala lem ke meli ba kon thop ba process ti sauk me bat kiwe pan ka Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo kala ong ba ka parti ka scam ba cing ucuar ka scam lo ke nongrem ki ba khangla di ke meli ban kan tap seng.
With regard to the submission of the last batch of petitions for disqualification of the two remaining MLAs who defected from the parent party of the Congress, we are very confident that our petitions stand tremendous merit while interpreting the 10th schedule. Very interestingly, Sub-para 2 of para 4 clearly indicates that defection would only become effective if those who defect the parent body break away to another group, form a party, and then merge with another political party. So we know that there has been this lapse in this exit of the 12 to another political party. Another area which we feel require attention is the meritorious grounds that there was no resignation, no discussion, no dialogue with the parent party. We also feel that alongside the 2/3, which is a compulsory occurrence for defection of this nature, there are other grey areas in the 10th schedule which give us enough confidence to believe that all of these areas where we feel there has been no justice in this breakaway group, but in fact it is a complete betrayal, it is a big letdown to the party which elected or gave them an opportunity to be elected to the Legislative Assembly as representatives of different constituencies by the Congress party, which is the parent party. Form A, Form B is an important component of binding candidates to the party. If we do not try our level best to present a case on merit, then these kinds of defection will continue to upset the political stability of our country, and especially of the state of Meghalaya. We don't want to react to baseless comments made by senior people who have benefited greatly from the Congress party in their entire tenure of service for the people of the state of Meghalaya. They may be free, they feel free, they are free to comment as per their own wisdom. But call this a ploy, call this an opportunity. Just two sides of the same mirror. To X, it could be seen as a ploy, but to us, this is our strength. We feel that in any argument which was not consolidated on the first 10 petitions, we would save for the last 2 petitions. That is up to our wisdom. And we stand by our wisdom. Their stand here can only be put forward in arguments when their petitions are heard. You cannot, in silo, already condemn a party which anyways you have deserted. We will not react to this kind of nonsensical comments. Let the law prevail. We leave it to the wisdom of the Honourable Speaker, whom I am sure will not just be non-biased, because we have seen his willingness to listen to our points of view, but they will also have to be substantiated in the correct forum at the correct time. The last two petitions have been duly modified to include more areas which we thought would become more effective in a show cause notice scenario. So we feel that this is a big political statement of the Congress party in the state of Meghalaya. These kinds of defections had happened in other states, as you have seen in the recent past. But nowhere have you seen a Congress party rise and question. Wherever there were questions asked, disqualification took effect. You have just seen the disqualification of so many MLAs in so many states because they have not duly considered all procedures which are tagged to a 2/3 majority. It would be improper and incorrect for us, the Congress Legislative Party, to presume the stand to be taken by the Honourable Speaker. We have left our petition before his honourable self, and we hope that all of the points and arguments put forward by us would be taken into serious consideration, and we hope that this would yield a positive result, and this would also wake up the state of Meghalaya in such scenarios where today Meghalaya will be the first state to split an opposition. This entire political gimmick is getting out of hand, and we appeal to the people of Meghalaya to take note of all the steps taken by the Congress party to fight for the rights of the Congress party. There are grey areas in all conditions which precede a 2/3 number. You may have an absolute 2/3 number, but have you taken all necessary steps that will ensure that the 2/3 that has broken away will not face disqualification? That is a very simple thing. We have put forth our arguments, very clear, no ambiguity, and we are confident that this would be the first step in a series of fights against individuals who have attempted to desert a party that has bred them, that has nurtured them, and that has made them who they are today in the political scenario of the state of Meghalaya. We do not want to react to ridiculous statements by individuals in big positions. We are small, number 5, very small individuals, small group, very important group. Why would we want to react to XYZ's comment? The law will take its own course of action, and we will see at the end of the day which advisory is better. One that finds itself in form of a formal petition to the office of the Honourable Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, or one which is a political gimmick spoken on a media platform for what joy only they know best.
Hakawai perkaliang ba bensan Pala haba kantho ekjing penskem sembut menteri rang ba kajala Meghalaya ba preston tensong halo kajing pet ki khat arngut ki MLA Congress ulong ba preston udai wei bola pet nak parti swag election MLA hustem arjakar pra ba du perkhat ba Congress kalakut.
So this time actually we have taken advanced action where not a single block has make a resolution actually. So I think there's not, be it in Umroi, be it in Nong Thamai, be in other constituencies in Garo Hills as well. Before they have taken a decision, we already changed the people. So those who have gone, they are no more a conquerors. Half of them, they already left much before we have taken advance. So out of 12 blocks which we have left the party, not a single block has taken a resolution to leave the party en masse along with the office bearers. So I think we have taken enough precaution, and like I told you, lots of approaches from the young minds, doctors, engineers, even some of the retired officials also who are about to retire, so they're ready to take voluntary pensions and contest from us. And we'll allow this to continue, I think, for a few weeks, and then maybe by New Year, then we'll start also rejoining the party. So we have to allow certain systems to be stable. When they leave the party, definitely they must have some excuse, and they must have somebody to accuse. But the reason of accuse and the reason of excuse also they should explain. So simply saying that because of him or because of this man and that man, there must be also a reason. So everybody must have a reason to leave. When they have any reason against the party, definitely they will try to figure on someone else. So I don't have a problem if anybody abuse, accuse. We are used to that system. Unfortunately, because as you are aware, there's no denying the facts because I'm half here, half there. So I've given quite a few issues. I've raised quite a few questions there also. But unfortunately, because in Parliament it's through lottery. Like last year, I tried very hard to get the age schedule included in the system. I don't know I'll get it or not. And even the border issues also, I wrote to the Speaker whether I'll be able to discuss it or not. I'm going back to Parliament on Monday. So I think in between, normally for the first 1 week, Parliament is always hangama is there. But now it's running smoothly. So from Monday onwards, when I go to Parliament, I think I'll be able to take it. And I was also discussing with our Rajya Sabha MP if he can take some of the issues in Rajya Sabha. So because here we may have a different parties, but in Delhi we must focus for the common interest and the interest of the people of Meghalaya. So I think we are working together in Delhi. You know, he himself left the party. When he left the party, he thought that the Congress has gone, but Congress is still there, like I've told him before also. And I think there's every reason that this development will be disqualified. I'm telling you a simple, very in a simple way to explain. Normally, as per the 10th schedule, it has to be merged party to party. This development is, they have got numbers to split the party. There's no denying the fact. But they should come up with a Congress, form a party, and that party will merge with other party. So in the 10th schedule, there's a question of merger, and it should be a merger of parties. So I think I've discussed also this with many of the lawyers in Delhi. They said that 100% these MLAs will be disqualified because the system which they have followed is not as per the 10th schedule. So let's see, we have given the speakers. That's why when we filed the petition, we filed 2 sets. First set is for 10 MLAs, and then we do a better research, improve. Now we have given 2 for Chillang Pale as well as for Bachals. So I think definitely I'm very confident that they'll be disqualified at any cost. No, when leaders leaving the party, as I told you, when P.A. Sangma left the party, they said Congress is wiped up from Garo Hills. But it did not wipe up. Lots of young blood and fresh bloods are also there. Out there we still have Deborah, we still have Billy Kitts, and we still have Brigadier with us. We still have so many other party with us. Omilu has joined us. But we will show this in a later stage. And we have already revived the party, and we have already appointed all the block presidents, district presidents. Only thing is now actually because of Parliament session, I cannot go there. We'll have a ceremony of joining also in a big way in Garo Hills. And lots of young bloods who passed from IIT, passed from Delhi University, who approached me. They said it's an opportunity for the people, young blood from Garo Hills to join. So I feel that in Garo Hills we should do very good. It's not as per what other expected. Today only for them leaving the party. For example, when I first joined as a president, I called the Youth Congress. They came only 5-6 of them. When I asked where are the rest, they said most of them they are not active. And I asked how many members are there in the youth. They said we hardly have 100 or 120 youth who are active. But when they resign, they'll get 3,000, 4,000 resign. So today, the enrollment, we have got more than 10,000 of the youth have already enrolled, and another 20,000 who are already enrolled, but payment is some problem with the payment because everybody has to pay for it 5 rupees per enrollment. So I think maybe 100 left us, but around 30,000-40,000 has joined us.
Halau kecing pet segi MDC ke parti Hakaro Hills syak All India Trinamool Congress ulang bakadai ke belas tulpa nama kecing pet ke MLA Hendrai penpau pat pekindan sekiwai ke ban mikmat pat pengklanya ke parti Harilum Karo.
Jingmi jong ke MDC ngatrai kamder ka ba ngilatip lupa bandalami ki MLA namar ki babon ki MDC ki bami ki den jingede bat ki MLA katu ngila expect hi kata ha shwa ba kinmi ngilawat lepas ki briu ngila appoint lepas ki president jongi ha ki block beper ki district beper ngatrai kamder ka bang idu nong hadu kata namar ba ki youth ki babon ki wat kini ki kena ki batre ki NGOs ki beper ki la approach ki ang bakade ka kaburu ya ki samla jong ki Karo Hills ban enroll ka kongres kumbolong menta ngi ka don ka jing rong kongres ka ba I tenat apa Karo Hills tan kumbang namar ngadang don parliament ngampat yo man attend ki function ba ki le enrollment ndala kut ka parliament ngatrai new year ya ka office apa Karo Hills ngin pengkhoj ngin airong bat ha kejok ka por ngin enroll ki babon wat kitu ki balami na kongres menchwa namar ka daw jong doktor mukul sangma mentai ki la rong biang ki babon ki la rong biang wat ki samla ru ki babon ki ba la rong namar na ka daw tengah try ke jingrung ke jingmi ka don ha Karo Hills ro kam isong shit le ha Karo Hills pan ha kasia Giant Hills ke jingrung kongres ki babon na ki bat ki barung kongres mentah Karo Hills ngi ki babon ki dei ki briu ki ba champang ki briu ki ba kam start bat ha kejok ko por kam de tang da kejok ka family kam to kejok ka ying kasem hendrei ki babon different field ki lawyers ki don doctors ki don engineers ki don ki babon ki barung mentah ki dei ki on their own merit mendesuk na ka family ngam do jingkermen ro ha Karo Hills ngin selek ha ka arfo lai hangni hi hangi lade ki MDC lade ki MLA ngatrai ba ka leaders kila ban lek kila ban mi pila I kum example hapo umroi ilami leaders sendrai ki babon hi kisa ki jongi 80% ki kongres kisa kumjo lagi MDC ro ngatrai ki naturally ki first kin attack ki MLA haden kin sa attack MDC haden kin sa attack ki workers ki jongi ndrei ngilayo por ban pengkre bat mentah kamet ro kan sadon ki meeting hayung jonga bat MLA bat MDC bat kiwei tengah kermen ba ngat kermen ba kane kajing pet jong katu kan ni naduk ki por ki ba ladep haduk mentah lade ban pet ndrei ki por benangwan kan nang kumduna susu namar ki bru kala kham susu anga honestly namar ngadon Delhi ngan sa khot iba job iba smart iba sting iwe ne ki de asset jom hi party ting maybe namar bau hakmat jonga iba Charles Laong menswa bau kwa ban penile iba job na pong keneng maybe kata kadau namar ba Laong iba Charles ngaci sin namar ngila rem ha ba election ngila rem ha ka ngila ban rem ha ka next la dengin change candidate belim ai ba job tengah daong iba Charles tu ko porong peser ban ai ticket you know new kam shong hanga mo ka shong ki block ka shong ki district bat ka shong hadu ha Delhi tebelim ngin ya pej bha ngin ya perkhat seni bha shwa ban ai rai no no tengah try la ban de na ka we ni ki bentar na try ba Charles la ko di ina do ka por nang ta ka daw